Shira in the South knew that Samuel was confirmed.
So you're not going to see much of my face today because I'm just not feeling that well, and I probably won't talk too much, but I wanted to show you what I was working on tonight. One of my gifts I'm doing for Rory is an illustration from her Phoebe book. I've made these for her for as long as we've had the books, and I always alter them a little bit the way that she asks me to. And of course they're just for us, so it's obviously not my original artwork. It's from Joanna Johnson and Eric Johnson, but this was the picture that she wanted, but she wanted it to be a tea party. So I don't know how well you can see, but there's the teapot and some cups, and I also added in the dolls that I've made for her. Just something sweet to hang on her wall. This will be her 5th one that I've made her, 4th or 5th one. So I'm going to work on that a little bit tonight. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for the night because I'm starting to make stupid mistakes, such as his weird little hand. Did not want to do that, and then I messed up her outline. I know Rory's not gonna care, but it's frustrating to me. I messed up her ear. Hopefully when I color it, I'll be able to hide a lot of that, but I must be feeling much worse than I realized because I just kept finding myself sort of zoning out and not paying attention to what I was doing, and I would come back and find that I had inked something wrong. So I'm going to take a knitting break for tonight.